Here we have our T-117Es. These fit a lot of the Nissans, they fit a lot of Mazdas and Mitsubishis. Here we're going through the test of 0 RPMs to 8,000 RPMs, and through each increment we will check every 1,000 to make sure they're flow matched to the specifications that you need. Here we're doing a test on them at 43.5. The one on the left hand side is 42 pounds. The one on the right hand side is 64 pounds. What we do is all of our fuel injectors are flow matched, and we also test them at 3 bar and 4 bar. 4 bar, which is 58 psi. Here we have a stock T-117E that is at 42 pounds. Here over on the right hand side we have a T-117E that's 64 pounds. As you can tell, all of our fuel injectors look identical to each other. One is stock, the other one's high performance. All of our fuel injectors are tested at 3 bar and 4 bar. Also come with the sheets that explain to you the different dead times with these, and also the different flow rates at which RPMs. Here at TLF Performance Parts, we want to make sure that all of our fuel injectors are exact to your